Today I'm going to show you the healthiest meal on earth. And I've been working on this for 34 years now. This one's got vegetables, raw and cooked, and seaweed. It's all organic. It's vegan. And I'm not totally vegan, but this meal is. And it's got chopped vegetables because I don't have a lot of teeth. And it's super healthy. It's got avocado and it's got gluten-free sourdough. Just amazing meal. So there it is, a massive plate of food. All different kinds of raw and cooked fruits, or not fruits, but vegetables and seaweed. There's flax dressing with brewer's yeast. This is a vegan meal, I believe. I don't eat all vegan, but avocado, of course. Sauerkraut. Mashed raw veggies, because I don't have a lot of teeth. There's cooked root vegetables in there, and kale. And there's a couple of slices of simple needs bread, no oil, quinoa, sourdough, gluten-free in the bottom of that. And yeah, that's pretty much a meal. I probably won't eat all of that. I'm pretty hungry, but maybe I will. Oh, I need to add some olives to it. That'll top it off. So there you go. Bye. I forgot to mention that meal also has solar cooked peas. Today I'm making solar cooked pinto beans, and it's going to be really good. I use a food processor to mash carrots and beets and cilantro and celery and just about any kind of food that you would normally eat raw. And then I add apple cider vinegar to it, and I just mash it all up until it's edible for me. I mix some kale into some sauerkraut and let it sit in a warm spot to see if the acid in the kraut would break down the kale good enough to eat, and I think it worked. I warmed up some root veggies and kale that I'd cooked a couple of days ago. This is Simple Needs bread, and I buy it by the case, and I get a discount when I buy it at the co-op because I'm a member there. And it's really good to be a member of your local co-op. It's gluten-free, and it has no oil added to it, and it's totally sourdough, so it's really good. If you warm it up in the toaster for about a minute or two, it makes it taste a lot better. This is a dressing that I make out of flax and various nuts and seeds and nutritional yeast from Lewis Labs. And I'll add, some salt and spices and various things, and then it has to sit for a little while. Sometimes I add sorghum to it. That's really good. And I have a crap load of spices, and when you've been doing this for 34 years, then this is what you get. And it's just an amazing, healthy meal, and I keep refining and making it healthier. I always eat dulse with every meal. It's so good, seaweed. And yep, there you go. So good. Bon appetit.